Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. We're going to do the walk around on the 2022 Mercedes Benz GLC Coupe today. Now this model is one of my favorites. It has an amazing design, and then the interior is sporty. You still get an SUV, and it still has that comfort and size and sporty look that you'd want from a sports car. So I have some information on this model, and then we're going to go over some of the things just overall with GLCs. This video today should be a pretty quick video. We're going to go over some information I found online. I'm actually going to cover some of Eric Stafford from Car and Driver's review, which I'll link down at the bottom if you want to look at his full review. Now we're going to cover his overview, which Eric says the 2022 Mercedes Benz GLC Coupe rides high like an SUV, but has more of a dramatic look thanks to its diving rear roofline, which you'll see up in the video. It swoops down kind of in the back. Now Eric says that you do lose some of the cargo space and the headroom in the back seat, but quote, "That's the price of the admission nowadays to the beauty pageant among compact luxury utility vehicles." So, which is true. I mean, you want the sportier look. You do give up a little bit of room in the back, but I mean, you're still higher off the ground. You still have more of a larger vehicle, but you're not really losing too much, in my opinion. It's really still a really good idea if you want a sportier SUV to look for these coupe design vehicles, like the BMW X4, the Infiniti QX55, and the Audi Q5 Sportback are all having that diving kind of rear line. Back to Eric, what he says in his overview is GLC passengers enjoy an upscale environment with fancy standard features aplenty, and under the hood we got a 255 horsepower turbo 4 powertrain that teams with the standard all-wheel drive. Now the 2022 GLC has a supple ride, nimble handling. Now compared to its big brothers, we're looking at the AMG GLC 43 and the 63. It's not going to have as much power as those vehicles, but you still get the look, the handling, and a really nice car for the money, and also for just the overall look of the car. In my opinion, when I'm looking at these vehicles, and as you see in the video, I mean, it's such a nice vehicle. This one paired with that white exterior with the black interior that you'll see in the video, as well as me kind of sitting in the car, they just give off this really nice sporty look. And in the market of vehicles, personally, the technology that goes into Mercedes with the MBUX systems, I think is probably my favorite part. I don't need a lot of power getting to work every day. I just want something with a little pep, a little fun, and the looks of this car, it stands out. I mean, if somebody sees you at the corner next to a regular GLC, this one definitely has the winning look, in my opinion, as far as the outside. We'll move forward, and as far as which one to buy, now Car and Driver does a really good job, so we're going to quote them. The GLC 300 Coupe has enough standard amenities to keep the average shopper in this segment smiling. However, to optimize the Coupe's look at me shape, which we again see it on the street, you're gonna be like, whoa, look at that. We'd opt for the AMG line with a night package. Adds the black exterior trim, the chrome diamond grille, which is a great piece, which I'll put a video up of that, and the AMG style 20-inch rims, which this vehicle also has. It also dresses up the inside with that sportier steering wheel, with the flat bottom steering wheel you'll find in a lot of the AMG exterior packages, and also the aluminum pedals, which, so for the driver, I mean, it looks fantastic. You having the steering wheel in front of you, you know you're gonna have some fun. So, I mean, they kind of go on. Eric says he would add like the illuminated star, which personally, for the money, a really good accessory to add. Definitely leather, ventilated seats, heated steering wheels. They're just kind of quoting the accessories they'd recommend you order, which definitely, I mean, having a heated steering wheel, you can't really go back from that. It's definitely something I'd say if you have the chance to order one, or if you see one coming in and it has that package, jump on it. It's a great thing to have, especially in the Midwest. If you're in the South, if you're in Florida, if you're in California, you probably don't need that as much. But I mean, I would say for sure, definitely do that. Some of the changes, I mean, every new version now comes with automatic high beams, passive hands-free entry, parking damage detection, and it gives you some USBs in the back. They also added Star Blue Metallic this year. I'll try and post a picture up of that Star Blue so you can get a look at that color. Engine we've kind of covered a little bit. So it has the 2-liter turboed 4-cylinder engine at about 255 horse, 273 pounds of torque. These also come with that 9-speed automatic transmission that sends the power to the 4 wheels via the standard 4MATIC all-wheel drive. And moving on to fuel economy. Now, everybody likes to talk about fuel economy. Gas prices are high, which again, 4-cylinder turbo, you're going to get good power, but you're also going to kind of manage that with some good MPG. So this model is estimated to earn between 22 and 28 on the highway. Those numbers are slightly lower than the 4-cylinder BMW X4, which is 23 and 29 respectively. And it also looks like Car and Driver didn't have a chance to test it on their 75-mile-an-hour track. And it's kind of an economy track that they do to get the best measurement of MPG. So that's something I'm hoping maybe we can get an update. I'll follow up in the comments if I see anything. Now, interior comfort and cargo. I mean, I'm about 5'6", and I'm extremely comfortable in this car. I mean, the bolster on the seats, where everything sits, it's really made to be a driven car. I mean, I've gone over it in previous videos and with customers that Mercedes tends to be a performance luxury brand. So they expect you to drive these cars. I mean, they're fun, they're sporty. They also give you the amenities you need to feel like you're in a luxury vehicle. Car and Driver says that the cabin design with the GLC Coupe brims with swank Euro flair. Yeah. The center stack curves gracefully into the console. The floating touchscreen is a really, really modern appearance. You'll see that in a lot of vehicles, almost like a floating tablet here. I'll try and post a video at this point so you can kind of get a close-up look of that. Circular air vents that you'll see in a lot of the Mercedes, horizontal lines, more of a modern contemporary look, and then that sloping roof line. So as far as cargo capacity goes, the SUV provides about 17 cubic feet with the rear seats in use and about 50 cubic feet with those seats folded. It's a lot less than you're going to get in some small crossovers. So for example, the RDX offers 30 cubic feet of space behind the second row and 59 behind that first row. But I don't think anybody's going to be saying, oh my God, look at that RDX running down the road, when you do see these Mercedes GLC Coupes and GLE Coupes and X4s and X6s. Whenever you see them on the road, they just kind of, they're just nice. I mean, they stand out. So, I mean, if that factors into your buying decision, definitely that's something you want to look into for sure. Warranties and maintenance, go over very quickly. Mercedes offers a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty on all of its new vehicles, which can be extended when you purchase. In comparison, BMW and Audi, I believe, offers a longer powertrain warranty. Some of the specs we've gone over. And that's about everything. So as far as this vehicle goes, 2022 Mercedes GLC Coupe, I'm a big fan. I think the design's great. I also got a new phone. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max cinematic mode. I hope it works well on YouTube here and all the other social media platforms. I'm really satisfied with the quality. I think it's a big upgrade from what I was doing before. Shout out to the LG Wing. And you guys know you can find me at Bourbonnais Motor Cars. I'm always available in the comments on Facebook, Instagram. BMC Victor is my username. I'll try and post that up. Definitely give me a call, shoot me an email, comment in the YouTube comments. And if you guys have any advice, stuff you want to see, cars you want to see, if I can get a hold of them, definitely let me know. I do these videos for customers typically. I do want to start doing more of them as I kind of get more vehicles. As always, thanks for watching the video. Everybody, we got it done in 11 minutes, so we're getting kind of efficient here. But have a great day. I appreciate you guys watching.